Hi there, it's Dr. David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. All right, continuing on with the FAQ video series, and I'm up to number 34. Where do exosomes come from? Well, I thought about making up this elaborate story about how we use wizardry or sorcery, or how we get them from the moon or Mars rocks, and they've been sitting around since the 1960s. But alas, it's not that salacious. In reality, exosomes are byproducts of all the cells in our bodies. You can find exosomes in all bodily fluids: saliva, urine, breast milk, lung fluid, the list goes on. We care about exosomes that come from umbilical cord stem cells. Why? Because the ingredients of exosomes are truly a function of the cells that produce them. So if they're a byproduct of a lung cell, those are not the exosomes we want to use for patients, okay? The umbilical cord stem cell derived exosomes are impressive. They have a lot of cytokines and growth factors, amino acids, peptides, bunch of nucleic acids, a very, very impressive array of ingredients that combine to help with repair and regeneration of damaged tissue in our bodies. So a few quick factoids about exosomes. First of all, they are 100 times smaller than stem cells. What that means is they don't care about the blood-brain barrier, they don't get caught up in the lungs as much as mesenchymal stem cells. There's a lot of benefits to that. And actually, they are not cells. As I mentioned, they are byproducts of cells. They don't have a nucleus, they don't replicate. So from a provider aspect, exosomes are easier to store because you don't need to keep them so ridiculously cold like you would a cell to maintain viability. You do need to keep them cold in order to maintain the structural integrity of the proteins involved with an exosome. So exosomes are byproducts of cells. In the case of what we offer, they are byproducts of umbilical cord stem cells. They are very, very high quality. Each vial that we offer has over 25 billion exosomes in it. So you talk about millions of stem cells for application, billions of exosomes per patient application. Visit us online today at r3stemcell.com. Lots of educational information there. And then call us at +1 844 GET STEM to get set up with your free consultation to see if you or a loved one is a candidate. Thank you.